Apple Bloom and Sweetie Belle are walking along a country lane, which borders Farmer Carmel's fields. Sweetie Belle is looking up, and Apple Bloom has disappeared around a corner in the lane. "Apple Bloom!" Sweetie Belle cries with panic. "Apple Bloom!" Apple Bloom comes around the corner, surprised as Sweetie Belle comes running towards her. "I thought I had lost you," Sweetie Belle says worriedly. Apple Bloom looks at her suspiciously. Sweetie Belle glances down, embarrassed. "What are you talking about?" Apple Bloom teases. Sweetie Belle mumbles. "It's just something Twilight said." "What did she say?" "She said, 'Don't you leave her, Sweetie Belle,'" she says as she looks at Apple Bloom intently. "And I don't mean to." Apple Bloom laughs. "Sweetie Belle, we're still in Ponyville. What could possibly happen?" Suddenly, a figure comes crashing out of a hedgerow, sending Apple Bloom flying. Apple Bloom picks herself up, only to be knocked down again by Pinkie Pie. "Apple Bloom! Scootaloo, look, it's Apple Bloom!" "Hello, Apple Bloom," Scootaloo says, smiling. Scootaloo, Pinkie Pie, and Apple Bloom are picking themselves up, seeing that a variety of vegetables have scattered everywhere. "What's the meaning of this?" Sweetie Belle asks. "Hey, Sweetie Belle," Scootaloo laughs. "Hold this." Scootaloo gives Sweetie Belle a large cabbage. "You've been into Farmer Carmel's crop," Sweetie Belle says accusingly. A large pitchfork can be seen racing towards them along the hedgerow, and angry shouts are heard from Farmer Carmel. "Who's that in my field?" Scootaloo and Pinkie Pie hurriedly gather their booty and race away with Apple Bloom and Sweetie Belle on their heels. Scootaloo looks behind her as she runs. "I don't know why he's so upset. It's only a couple of carrots." "And some cabbages," adds Pinkie Pie. "And those 3 bags of potatoes we lifted last week. Oh, and the mushrooms from the week before." "Yes, Pinkie Pie, my point is he's clearly overreacting." "Keep running!" Pinkie Pie shouts. Apple Bloom, Sweetie Belle, Scootaloo, and Pinkie Pie suddenly tumble head over heels down a bank onto a dark, wooded road. A winded Pinkie Pie looks up from the ground, her face inches away from a large pile of manure. "That was close." Apple Bloom picks herself up and looks around quickly. "Ow!" Scootaloo groans. "I think I've broken something." She pulls out a large carrot, snapped through the middle, out from behind her. "Oh." Sweetie Belle looks at her irritated. "Scootaloo, Pinkie Pie." "What?" Scoot says. "That was just a detour, a shortcut." "A shortcut to what?" Sweetie Belle asks. Pinkie Pie has spied something under the trees on the far side of the road. "Mushrooms!" she says excitedly. Sweetie Belle, Scootaloo, and Pinkie Pie race toward the mushrooms, but Apple Bloom is tense and watchful. She realizes that they are on a wooded road. Scattered leaves rise into the air, whirling down the path, as if blown by an invisible wind. Faintly, the sounds of hooves can be heard. "I think we should get off the road," Apple Bloom says softly. Suddenly, a long-drawn wail comes down the wind, like the cry of some evil and lonely creature. "Get off the road!" Apple Bloom says with more urgency. Sweetie Belle pulls Scootaloo and Pinkie Pie as the ponies quickly scramble down the bank, hiding under a mossy log. The sound of hooves is close. A sinister ring wraith steps into view, hooded and faceless. Apple Bloom freezes in terror. The ring wraith pauses right beside their hiding place, standing very still, with his head bowed, listening. From inside the hood comes a sniffing noise, as if he is trying to catch an elusive scent, his head turning from side to side. Beads of sweat gather on Apple Bloom's brow. The ring wraith suddenly steps forward, leaning over the mossy log, peering suspiciously into the woods. Apple Bloom draws the ring out of her pocket. With trembling hoofs, her face is fevered and sweating, as if in the grip of some terrible internal struggle. The sound of sniffing intensifies as the ring wraith darts his head from side to side like a bird of prey. Apple Bloom squeezes her eyes shut, seeing quick psychic blasts of the evil dark tower, a great eye, and a burst of flame. Sweetie Belle looks at Apple Bloom with concern, nudging her with her hoof, seemingly waking her up from her daze. Scootaloo desperately hurls the mushroom across the road. The ring wraith spins around at the sound, screeches, and darts off to the far side of the road with frightening speed. Apple Bloom instantly slumps, as if a psychic link had been broken. "What was that?" Scootaloo asks frightened. Apple Bloom is staring, a look of shock on her face at the ring lying on the edge of her hoof. Apple Bloom, Sweetie Belle, Scootaloo, and Pinkie Pie hurry through the trees, slipping and sliding on the muddy ground. "Anything?" Sweetie Belle asks. "Nothin'," says Apple Bloom. "What is going on?" Pinkie Pie whispers urgently. Scootaloo moves past Pinkie Pie toward Apple Bloom, watching intently. Sweetie Belle keeps looking around nervously. "The Black Rider was looking for something. Or someone. Apple Bloom?" "Get down!" Sweetie Belle whispers. The silhouette of a black rider looms against the skyline. The 4 Shetlands are sprawled on the ground, holding their breath. The black rider turns and departs. Apple Bloom looks at Scootaloo. "I have to leave Ponyville. Sweetie Belle and I must get to Dodge Junction." Scootaloo looks at her friend, realizing Apple Bloom is in deep trouble. "Right," she says. "Apple Buckleberry Ferry. Follow me." The Shetlands break cover. Suddenly, a ring wraith bursts out of the forest toward them. "There's another one!" Scootaloo shouts. "Apple Bloom, this way!" The Shetlands run, and the ring wraith shrieks. Black horse hooves, snarling horse mouths, a fleeting black cow. "Apple Bloom, follow me!" Scootaloo shouts. Apple Bloom, Sweetie Belle, Scootaloo, and Pinkie Pie are running towards the wide, placid river and the ferry. "Get the rope, Sweetie Belle," says Scootaloo. 4 ring wraiths are speeding through the fog, converging on the ferry crossing. The Shetlands stampede across the wharf and tumble onto the ferry. "Apple Bloom!" Sweetie Belle screams. Apple Bloom races across the wooden wharf, followed by the ring wraiths. She leaps into the ferry. Hooves thunder down the wharf as Sweetie Belle and Scootaloo shove off with the poles. The ferry slides out into the river just as the ring wraiths arrive. They pull up on the end of the wharf, shrieking with rage. The Shetlands cover their ears. The ring wraiths wheel towards the north and gallop away along the river bank, quickly disappearing into the fog. "How far to the nearest crossing?" Apple Bloom asks. Scootaloo's catching her breath. 20 miles.